Hello, I'm your host, the Chicken Man with Texas Precision Poultry. I'm here to explain how to compost backyard chicken manure. Let's face it, chickens produce quite a bit of manure. A good way of dealing with this waste and turning it into a treasure is composting. So what will you need? Well, 70 to 75% carbon, typically supplied by the poultry bedding. 20 to 25% nitrogen, supplied through the chicken manure. Moisture. A compost pile should be uniformly moist. Take a handful and squeeze. If no liquid comes out, you need to add water. If more than 2 to 3 drops comes out, you need to aerate the pile to dry it out. If 1 to 3 drops of liquid comes out, you're right on the money. The next component of a compost pile is oxygen. A compost pile needs a periodic turning to introduce air. This stimulates aerobic bacteria to actively break down the litter. The last component to the compost pile you don't even need to add. It is the microorganisms and heat. As the microbes utilize the organic matter, they use energy, producing heat. That heat then sanitizes the compost. So once you have cleaned out the coop, put the litter in a pile, at least 3 feet wide by 3 feet tall. However, 4 to 5 feet is optimal. Or place the litter in a composting bin. After the pile or bin is set, leave it covered for 2 weeks, checking for moisture content every 3 days or so. By 2 weeks, if you have little to no decomposition, you probably need to add more nitrogen. Where if the pile stinks to high heaven, you probably need more carbon. After the first 2 weeks is over and you have some composting action, turn the pile, or if you have a composting bin, move the material to the next bin. Wait 2 more weeks and do it again, and again, and again, till the manure has turned into black gold compost. Be sure to check for moisture, carbon, and nitrogen content periodically. That wraps it up. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. Don't forget to check out our social media accounts. Links are in the description below. Like the video and subscribe. I've been the Chicken Man with Texas Precision Poultry. For now, I bid you farewell and encourage all to keep your hens happy and healthy.